Hello friends, I'm back with new video. So today we will learn what is SDLC, which is Software Development Lifecycle. It is a very important topic. It is a topic of software engineering. That software engineering concept is there in the computer science world, and in that this SDLC topic comes arrive. In this we are learning that how can we develop the software. In this, we will learn every phase of making a software from the beginning to last, that which are the phases are coming while we are creating a software. So let's read the theory which is written there. First of all, they are telling that the system development life cycle or software development process in system engineering. Okay, information systems and software engineering is a process of creating, altering information systems and the models and methodologies that people used to develop these systems we are learning inside it. Actually, SDLC have various models inside it, like waterfall model, spiral model, a lot more are there. And in software engineering, as I told you, this is comes under the software engineering process. The SDLC concept underpins many kind of software development methodologies. These methodologies form the framework for planning and controlling the creation of an information system, which is called the software development process. So every phase we are learning here, that from beginning to last, that which are the phases comes when we are going to make a software. So just suppose that you are an IT professional and your customer comes in front of you and they are asking to make any application. Just suppose you can take up an example of library management. They are coming in front of you and they are telling that I want the library management software for my school, and you can say that for the college also. So what will you do at that time? So this is the first phase which you will follow: requirement analysis. Okay, requirement analysis. First of all, you gather the requirement from the customer, that which kind of things you want in your system. Okay, so you will collect the requirement first of all in the written form, and the requirement in the written form is called SRS, which is system requirement specification. This is the full form of it: system requirement specification. Note down please. Whatever the thing you will understand here, you can note down, because right now you will understand it easily, but later on you will forget the things. So you have to answer out in front of your external also, and in the examination also you can write up, because the knowledge is understandable in the India in the written form in the examinations. So note down whatever you understand here. So requirement you will collect from the customer, and that written requirement is called SRS, as we have seen. So first of all, you will make a list that which thing you are required, 1 2 3, whatever the requirement is, you are writing up, and at the last you are take a sign from your customer that these are your requirement. Later on you cannot say that any another requirement you need for it. If you are telling to add or some another feature inside it, you'd have to pay for it extra. This is the first phase in which we just collect the requirements from the customer. Now we have the specific requirements, that whatever the customer wants, you have done it. You know that what is the requirement actually. What you do now, you will make a design. Just like before going to make a program, we are making a flowchart of it. Like in the real world, like before going to build a new company or the building, you are making a blueprint of it. Just like that, before going to make a software, you are making a design of it, that how the software is looking like and how many pages are coming inside it, what are the features inside it. You will make a design of it. Done. So this is the front end designing. Okay, and this is the front end coding you will do here. and what is the front end and the back end. I have made a detailed video of the developers, you can check out in the I button. So here you are doing the front end development in the design. Then after, once your designing is complete, you are going to implement it. In this, the coding section is coming, actually, that you have made the design, that what actually you want to do, how many pages you want, and in one page which things you required to make. Now you are start coding that how that things will be going to happen, whatever the language you are using, either Python, Java, or any language you are using, you can start coding inside it once you know that what actually the design is. Then after your coding is complete, you are going to test also that the thing which you are doing, is it okay, is it working. So if it is working correctly, you can evaluation, you can do the evaluation in the market, you can publish your software, and in the market people can see now what thing you have made, and you will show the product which you have made to your customer. You can show your product to your customer that this thing you have done, and please check out, and you can take payment from him. So testing is also of two type: white box testing, black box testing, and gray box. Every phase have their subtypes inside it, so I'm not going to make a detailed video over there because it is very time consuming, and that SDLC is a very big topic. We cannot complete in a just single video, and if I just try to make it will take more than 1 hour. It will take more than 1 hour, so I do not want to spend a lot more time here to make a video over there of the SDLC. And you just need to understand the basic things over the SDLC, what actually the thing is. So hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Take care. If you have any query, you can comment below.